Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your eyes to gently close. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. Allow your body to soften. Feel the weight of your body being supported. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just be. As the frequency begins to harmonize your energy, imagine a soft golden light surrounding your heart. This light is the vibration of love, healing, and abundance. With every breath, this light expands. It flows through your chest, into your arms, your legs, all the way to the tips of your fingers and toes. You are grounded. You are safe. You are supported. Now, silently or out loud, repeat after me. I am open to abundance in all forms. I trust the universe to guide me toward prosperity. I am worthy of love, success, and financial freedom. Gratitude flows through me like a river. Everything I need is already within me. Let each word resonate through your heart. Let the frequency carry your intention out into the universe. Now visualize yourself surrounded by a golden aura. See yourself walking through a door. On the other side is your abundant life. What does it look like? Who are you with? How do you feel in this version of yourself? Breathe it in. You are already becoming that version. Right now, in this moment. Take a final deep breath in and gently exhale. Bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel yourself re-enter the space around you. Now take a moment of gratitude. Gratitude for this moment of stillness, for the sound that helped you realign, and for your own willingness to grow. Carry this calm, loving energy with you as you return to your day. Let it guide your thoughts, your words, and your actions. Know that you are a powerful creator, and every time you choose peace, abundance flows more freely. You are aligned, loved, and supported. When you're ready, open your eyes gently. Smile softly and walk forward as the abundant being you truly are.